Fuse, a safety device in electric circuit. The presence of a fuse in an electric circuit is crucial for safety reasons. The rate at which heat is generated in a conductor is determined by the expression I2 int, or where I represents the current in amperes and R is the resistance of the conductor. For example, consider a conductor with a fixed resistance R through which a current of 1 ampere flows. The heat produced in this conductor would be equal to R. If the current is increased to 10 amperes in the same conductor, the heat produced would be 100 times greater, calculated as 10 2 into R is equal to 100 R. Although copper wires, which are commonly used for distributing current in household circuits, offer some resistance to the flow of current, the heat produced is minimal and dissipates without damaging the insulation, which typically consists of rubber or plastic coating. If the current passing through the copper wires exceeds a certain threshold, overloading, the rate of heat produced becomes significant and can melt the insulation. This would result in the bare copper wires coming into contact with each other, potentially causing an electrical fire. To prevent this dangerous scenario, a fuse is employed. What is fuse? A fuse is a protective device used in an electrical circuit. It is designed to be the weakest link in the circuit, melting and breaking the circuit under certain conditions, such as when there is an overload of current, a short circuit, or fluctuations in the power supply. Characteristics of a fuse include: it has a low melting point, typically made from an alloy of 50% lead and 50% tin that melts around 200 degrees Celsius. It has a high resistance, causing it to heat up rapidly compared to the connecting copper wires. This rapid heating causes the fuse to melt when the current exceeds certain limits. A fuse socket comprises two components. Porcelain casing. This part is made of a hollow rectangular block of porcelain containing two rectangular brass terminals, T1 and T2. The casing is attached to a wooden board and the live wire is connected to terminal T1. There is no direct connection between terminals T1 and T2, so no current can flow between them unless they are connected by a wire. Porcelain grip. This part is a rectangular solid porcelain block with two rectangular copper clamps on one side. These clamps can tightly fit onto the terminals. Between the copper clamps, a fuse wire of suitable rating is fixed. When the grip is inserted into the casing, the current flows from terminal T1 to terminal T2 through the fuse wire. Fig. 8.2. The fuse wire is designed to melt in situations where the circuit is overloaded, experiences a short circuit, or faces voltage fluctuations. This melting stops the flow of electric current in the circuit, preventing potential damage. To restore the circuit's functionality, the fuse wire can be replaced in the fuse grip. Typically, in lighting circuits, the current rarely exceeds 5 A, while in heating circuits, it is limited to around 15 A. If the current in any circuit exceeds its designated value, the fuse wire melts, protecting the circuit from fire hazards. Each electric circuit has a maximum current threshold that it can safely handle without overheating. The fuse installed in such a circuit should have a lower current rating than the circuit's maximum capacity. Modern electric appliances, especially those sensitive to voltage fluctuations and expensive to replace, require protection from excess current. To safeguard these appliances, fixed-value cartridge fuses are used, designed to handle specific levels of current and integrated within the appliance's body. Current rating of a fuse. Current rating of a fuse can be defined as the maximum current that can be passed through a fuse. If the current is greater than the fuse rating, the fuse will melt and the current flow will stop. So, if we consider that the current rating of a fuse is 5, it means that current only lower than or equal to 5 can pass through it. If the current is greater than 5, the fuse will melt and thereby stops the current flow. The current rating of the fuse in a circuit can be obtained from the following relationship. Current rating of fuse in a circuit. Total power of appliances in circuit upon voltage of the supply. For proper protection of the electrical wiring and of the electrical appliances placed in any circuit, it is necessary to use a fuse of proper rating. If the fuse of lower rating is used, then it will blow off as soon as the circuit is switched on. If the fuse of higher rating is used, then it will not blow off even when current exceeds the safety limit. As a result, the electrical appliances in the circuit may get damaged. For example, a TV set works on a current about 0.6-0.75 A. If a fuse of 5 A is placed in its circuit, it will not blow off even when the current of 5 A flows through the system. This high current will, however, damage the TV circuit. Therefore, for a proper protection of electrical appliances, fuses of proper ratings should be used. Table 8.2 Current ratings of fuse of some electrical appliances. Electric appliances. Power rating, watts. Current rating for fuse, amp. Electric mixer 750, 3.4. Refrigerator 150, 0.68. TV set 120, 0.54. Geyser 1500, 7.00. Electric oven 4000, 16.5. Electric iron 1000, 4.5. MCB. A nested of a fuse, a miniature circuit breaker, MCB, used for each individual circuit. If due to short circuiting or some fault, a heavy current flows in the line, the MCB falls down or trips to switch off the circuit in a very short time, 25 milliseconds. After repairing the fault in circuit, the MCB is then raised up or brought in the circuit. Thus, the use of MCB is more convenient than a fuse because 1. It avoids the inconvenience of connecting a new fuse wire, and 2. It is much safer due to its quick response.